welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer an external IRA without penalty in Webull IRAs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer an external IRA without penalty in Webull IRA, all you gotta do is simply go and log in into your Webull account. Once you have logged in into Webull account, you should perform a direct rollover or a trustee-to-trustee transfer to simply do it without penalty, where the funds are moved directly from your old IRA custodian to Webull. Start by initiating the transfer through the automated customer account transfer service, that is ACATS, if your institution isn't supported, or by completing and submitting the non-ACAT IRA transfer form to Webull's support team if it is not. So by doing this, you can simply transfer an external IRA without penalty in Webull. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.